Hello, welcome to Arms Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss one very interesting and important concept from the chapter Body Fluids and Circulation, that is process of clotting of blood. Now, if you have read the process given in the NCERT textbook, it is little bit difficult to understand. So I will explain you the whole process in the most easy way. So when does the process of clotting of blood is required? Whenever we get an injury. What is the importance of clotting of blood? It is important for the preventing the excessive loss of blood. So let us understand how does this process takes place. This process basically occurs in three major steps. So we will see one by one. Step 1. This step involves formation of prothrombin activator. Now this prothrombin activator is a complex and which is required for the step 2. It has one important enzyme, thrombokinase. I will show you what happens. So whenever there is a tissue injury, there are many clotting factors present in our plasma, but they are in a inactive form. As soon as there is tissue injury, tissue injury activates this form and starts the cascade. Now cascade, what is the meaning of cascade? Cascade is a series of multiple reactions which are dependent on the previous event. This forms prothrombin activator. This prothrombin activator is a enzyme, that is thrombokinase. For this conversion we require multiple factors and calcium ions. So calcium ions are also required here. Now as the prothrombin activator is formed, step 2 begins. In the step 2, what happens? Prothrombin, as name suggests, it is an inactive form of thrombin, gets converted into the active form thrombin. For this conversion we require thrombokinase enzyme. This thrombokinase is formed in the previous step, that is step 1, as well as we require calcium ions also. Step 3, once the thrombin is formed, it activates the step 3. What is the step 3? Let's understand it. Step 3 is the conversion of fibrinogen. Again gen, that means it is an inactive form, to the fibrin, which is active form. For this conversion we require the substance or the end product of step 2, that is thrombin, as well as there is one factor known as fibrin stabilizing factor and calcium ions. This fibrin is nothing but our clot, and thus blood loss is prevented. I hope you have understood this mechanism of clotting of blood. Stay tuned, stay connected for more easy concepts. Thank you very much.